Hey everyone, how's guys doing? We having a car ride in heart of New York City in Times Square.
But maybe I can stand for shortly.
Where's the carousel? Which way?
I should to go in front. Maybe I.
Where is it, Russell?
Is the right here, the right side?
Everybody loved that lighting, display and the red stairs
The left
of the
side, the
Times
wheel.
Square.
Wheel moving. The left side, the wheel. Here we go. Woo! Oh, this is actually that's close. Marisa. Woo! Woo! That's beautiful. This is pretty.
And people riding a bike, cycling. This is really a lot of fun activities inside the Times Square. Thank you guys for watching. Stay well and peace.